So you're rebuilding the 4L60. How do you get the Teflon seals replaced on the pump and on your shaft over here? Well, for 15 bucks, it'll get you an install tool off Amazon. It'll come with this piece right here. First one's gonna come over top. You're gonna flip it around depending on which one you're doing. It'll slide over top of here, expand it to where it'll slide into those grooves for you. And then it's gonna end up fitting really loose in there. Well, how do you fix that? Comes with the resizing tool. Tapered on the inside there. So basically what you end up doing is you slide it over top, pushes it into those grooves. And just like that, this tool is going to shrink those back up for you and they're gonna fit just right in there. Comes with the other one right here for your shaft. If you're rebuilding the trans, you need that tool.